Good morning, class. Hope you are fine and staying healthy at your home. I hope you are following all the SOPs while staying at home and while going outside. It's very important to follow all the SOPs. Okay, boys? Today we have to do our grammar notebook work. You have to take out your English grammar notebook. You will have to mention CW, then day. Today is Wednesday, 23rd December 2020. Then you have to write your topic. The topic is letter. You are writing a letter to your mother about her health. You have to inquire about your mother health, okay? First of all, we have to mention address here. Here you have to write your home address. You have to put comma after writing your address. This is only for your understanding. No need to write this portion on your notebook. Then you have to write your city. Your city name is Bahawalpur. Mention date. What is date today? 23rd December 2020. Put a comma, full stop. Then you have to write dear mother. To whom you are writing letter, here you have to mention that person. Like you are writing letter to your mother, you will mention here dear mother. Put comma. Then you have to start your letter with the greetings. You will say Assalamu alaikum. Inform, first of all, you have to inform about your health. Okay, you are not living with your mother, you are living in hostel or some other place. That's why you are writing letter to your mother and you are asking about her health. So, first of all, you have to inform about your health that I am fine here and I hope that you will be fine. Then you have to ask about her health. That from my brother letter, I come to know about your health and your health is not good. You are suffering with fever from last few days or you are suffering from BP problem or some other health issue. You can write here. Okay, then you have to suggest your mother that please take some rest and request her to take medicines on time. Okay, then you have to advise your mother to visit doctor regularly and you have to request your mother that please visit doctor and take medicine regularly and take care of your health. Okay, then you have to pay regards to your father or any other sibling who is staying with mother. Okay, pay regards, that say my salam to my little brother or my little sister. Then at the end you have to say your loving, here you have to write son. Here you will show your relation to whom you are writing. So you are the son of your mother. Okay, here you will write your loving son, mention your name and put a full stop here. Okay, this part is only for your understanding. Okay, you have to write the letter with the help of these key points neatly on your grammar notebook. Do your work neatly and then you have to send me your feedback. All the best.